Alright, so egg dyeing. Great Easter tradition. What chemistry is going on when we dye an egg? So this is the way I understand it. So when you dye an egg, you put the egg in the water and dye molecule, and then you add vinegar. The egg shell is calcium carbonate, but it has a protein cuticle around that calcium carbonate. You can't really see it or feel it, but it's there. So the makeup of the eggshell is nitrogen with 2 hydrogen and the protein cuticle. The nitrogen has 2 negative ions, neutrons. So when you pour in the vinegar, it has hydrogen ions. Now that hydrogen ion has a proton with a positive charge, and that positive charge is looking to connect itself to a neutron with a negative charge, which we have in the nitrogen around the eggshell. So when you pour in the vinegar, that hydrogen ion in the vinegar is going to connect itself to the nitrogen around the eggshell. So now the vinegar has attached itself to the nitrogen around the eggshell. Now, those positive hydrogen ions are looking to attach themselves to the negative, more negative ions. So there are negative ions in the water and dye molecule, negative neutrons within that. Those neutrons are going to attach themselves to the positive charged hydrogen ion from the vinegar, which has already attached itself to the eggshell. So, once all of these have attached themselves, the dye has now attached itself to the eggshell because of the charge from the vinegar, the hydrogen ion. If you put an egg with just the dye in distilled water and no vinegar, it would not really attach itself. If you put it with just tap water and the dye, it will still attach itself because there are still some hydrogen ions in your regular tap water. But if you use distilled water where there are no hydrogen ions, it shouldn't really attach itself. So this is something you can try. We're going to do it the normal way. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with us, going on the Easter egg hunt and dyeing Easter eggs. Y'all have a good Easter and please stay safe. And don't forget guys,
to hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and please subscribe to our channel.
Thanks guys, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye!